Spring is here and your garden's waking up, but so are some sneaky, leaf-munching, root-chewing pests. Ever wonder who's secretly sabotaging your blooms and veggies? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the top spring garden pests and expert tricks to stop them in their tracks. Hey garden lovers! Welcome back to Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Today we're diving into pest control like pros. If you love keeping your garden thriving, hit that like button, share this with your fellow green thumbs, and subscribe for more tips. First up, have you ever seen tiny green or black dots clustering on your new shoots? Those are aphids, and they're basically vampires for your plants. These soft-bodied insects suck sap, weaken plants, and spread viruses. In spring, they multiply fast thanks to warm weather. Blast them off with a strong water jet from your hose. Seriously, it works. Or introduce ladybugs, nature's aphid assassins. One ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids a day. Mix a teaspoon of neem oil with a quart of water and a drop of dish soap. Spray it on affected areas weekly. Safe, organic, and aphids hate it. Notice ragged holes in your leaves overnight? Could it be slugs and snails? These slimy culprits love spring's damp conditions. They hide under pots or mulch during the day, then feast at night. Seedlings and tender greens are their favorites. Set up beer traps. Shallow dishes of cheap beer sunk into the soil. They crawl in, get drunk, and drown. Works like a charm. Sprinkle crushed eggshells or diatomaceous earth around plants. It's like walking on glass for them. Ouch! Ever planted a seedling only to find it sliced at the base the next day? Say hello to cutworms, stealthy little jerks of the pest world. These caterpillars curl around stems and chew through them, targeting young plants in spring. Make collars from toilet paper rolls or aluminum foil. Slip them over seedlings and push them an inch into the soil. Cutworms can't climb past. Till your soil before planting to expose and kill their overwintering larvae. Prevention is key. Shake a plant and see a cloud of tiny white bugs fly up? Uh-oh, whiteflies have arrived, and they're not here to party. These pests suck sap, leave sticky residue, and stunt growth. Spring warmth triggers their population boom. Hang yellow sticky traps near plants. They're drawn to the color and get stuck. Pair it with a vacuum sweep for adults. Plant marigolds nearby. Their scent repels whiteflies naturally, no chemicals needed. So there you have it. Aphids, slugs, cutworms, whiteflies, and the pro tricks to kick them out of your spring garden. Curious about more pests or solutions? Drop a comment below. I read them all. With these tips, your garden's going to thrive this season. You've got this. If this helped you save your plants, smash that like button, share it with your gardening crew, and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.